Today I'm going to show you how I installed some window curtains for my truck cap and a little bit about this particular truck cap and why I purchased it. This is the ARE MX mid-rise truck cap, and the reason why I bought a mid-rise is I want a little bit more room for camping. And currently, as far as I could tell, this is the only manufacturer that makes the mid-rise for this truck, which is a 2020 Tundra 6.5 foot bed. So I was kind of limited on my options, but I think ARE makes a good product. On this particular truck cap, I purchased the pet screens on the inside. I don't have any pets right now, but it provides some extra protection from the existing screen that's in there. I also got the carpeted liner on the roof, which is good for insulation, and also for if you have, like, if you're in there sleeping and you're breathing a lot, the moisture can drip on you. And also it looks better. You don't scrape yourself up against fiberglass. I also purchased the roof tracks, so in the future, if I want to put some racks up there, I can put solar panels, or and I don't know what I can put up there, but I can add the roof racks later to the existing tracks. Easier to do it when you buy the thing than have it installed later. I also got the dual locking latches instead of the single one. And also, the very, very important is the tilt down front window, which is instrumental in the window curtain installation. Now, for the window curtains, my brother picked up some these blackout curtains at a 99-cent store. Needed a 2-pack, so 4 panels. You don't really need blackout curtains. You can use old sheets, any kind of material that would cover the windows, possibly even maybe a towel. It might be a beach towel, but even that might not be long enough or wide enough. But for now, these are cheap and blackout curtains. So this front window with the tilt down, basically what I do is you unlatch the window. Again, this is very important for cleaning this and cleaning that window. Highly recommend, if you buy a truck cap, you get this tilt down window. I also got the sliding for extra ventilation. This is the simple one. All I do is place the curtain over the window, and I have stealth. I can also reach up here and latch it if I wanted to. Like, I've just latched that one, so it's not going to fall down on me or anything like that. So now these side windows are more challenging because they slant this way. This is plastic, so you really can't use magnets. This fabric, maybe you could somehow attach something to this. I don't know yet. But what I did was I have these aluminum clothespins, and they already have small holes in them. I had to drill just a little bit bigger hole, and I unscrewed 1, 2, 3, 4 and installed these clothespins here. And all I have to do is attach the curtain to the clothespins, like so. And now I have my curtain. I can leave it dangling down to allow airflow in from the window, or I can shove it up here on the ledge. And there you go. Now for the back window, it's kind of dark in here, so I'm not going to demonstrate how I install the curtain, but essentially it's a plastic, there's a lip around the plastic frame. put those clips that you get, and I just essentially attach the curtain around your frame, and pretty simple for the back window. Now for a bonus tip, I wanted to show you how I secure the back window when I'm going to be sleeping in here camping. I have these are tarp bungee cords. That's all I had right now. It does work though, so I attach two together. I drape it around the lock. I just turn it like that. I do that on both sides, so it's real secure. I also have a locking truck tailgate, so they can't open the tailgate. So it's really secure. If I need to get out, I just flip that, pop those off. I'm good to go. This is my first attempt at the window curtain install for my truck cap. I haven't done a lot of research, so if you have any better ideas, some suggestions, please put those in the comments below. I really appreciate it. And if you got anything on this video, appreciate the thumbs up, the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.